Part 12, Area of Combined Figures. You will find this on page 209 in the Namibian Mathematics Grade 9 textbook, Y equals mx plus c to success. When we work with combined figures, when we did the perimeter, we said we always must do these sums in 4 steps. We must write down a plan, create the formula or fill in the formula, and then do substitution in the formula using brackets, and then do the calculation. We're going to do exactly the same if we work out the area of combined figures. Okay, we're first going to focus on addition. If you connect figures together. Okay, let's start with the area. The total inside of the figure. Example 15. Find the area of the figure. So this is a square and this is a half circle. So the area indicated by the shaded side. So the area is not the distance around like the perimeter. It's basically this inside part. So if I'm going to look, it's the shapes, it's going to be a semicircle as well as a square. So if I'm going to work out the total area, I'm just going to work out half a circle, the area of half a circle, plus the area of a square. That's my plan. Now I substitute the formulas. So what is the formula for the area of a circle? Pi r squared. What is the formula for the area of a square? Side times side. Now I just do the substitution. And then basically I'm just taking my calculator and I just press this on my calculator, multiply in between, and I get this, and multiply that, and I get this, and then I add it up, and that will be my final answer. Okay, I want you to do try now 15b. I want you to stop the video, and as soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video. Okay, let's look at number B. Calculate the area of the figures. Now, if I look at this one, look, this is a half circle and this is another half circle. So if I add it up, it will be one full circle. And this is a square. So if I'm going to work out the area of the combined figure, it's going to be one circle, remember? Can I show you again? Because two halves make one circle plus the area of a square. Okay, now I'm just going to write down the formulas. Now, what is the area of a circle? It's pi r squared. What is the area of a square? Side times side. And then if I substitute it, it's 3,14. And then I'm going to substitute the radius. Now, can I just show you again? All the sides will be 10. But then, that's the diameter. So the diameter is 10. But the radius is the diameter divided by 2. And that will give me an answer of 5. So what will I substitute there? 5 square. And then this is also 5 square. And then when I press it on the calculator, is 78.5 plus that 25. And the answer will be 103.5 centimeter square. Okay. I want you to stop the video and do try now 16 number A fully. For this one, you can just write down the plans. You don't have to calculate it completely. You can stop the video, and as soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video. Okay, let's start. Try now 16. And I'm going to look now just at the area. So if I look at the second one, which will be the area, I'm going to say, to find that area of that combined figure, this is a rectangle, so let's call it rectangle 1, plus the area of rectangle 2, plus the area of rectangle 3. So basically, this is going to be length times breadth, plus this is length times breadth, plus this one is length times breadth. So this one, okay, this is the, let's start with this one. Okay, let's just mark it in red. So the length is 6 and this breadth is 2. So basically, if I look at this one, it's going to be 6 times 2 plus, okay, let's look at this one. This one is going to be, now, if I look at this side, if this side is 2, then remember this side must be, okay, can I just mark? This side must be equal to this plus this. So if I want to have this side, I can say 6 minus 2, so that will be 4. So basically, this is just going to be 4 times 2. Plus, and now this one, now if we look again, this is 12. So, but this is 2 and 2. So basically, that is 2 and that is 2. So if I want to find this part, I can just say 12 minus 2, and that will be 8. And then basically, it's going to be 8 times 6. And then if I work it out, I will get 12. This one, I will get 8. And this one, I will get 48. And if I add all of them up, I will get 68. And that will be, if this one was in meters, let's see, all is in meters, so this will be meter squared. Okay. I said I'm just going to want you to write the plan of this one. So let's look at number B. So if I want to find this area, this is going to be a half circle plus a rectangle. And then this one, this is going to be, now, this is all different half circles. So this will be half, let's start with this one, half circle, I'm going to indicate it like this, and we're going to call this 1. Let's call this circle 1. Okay, plus another half circle, and this is the second one, plus another half circle, and this is this one. Now just remember, this one's radius is 4, this one's radius is 3, and this one's radius is 5. And then what is in the middle? It's a triangle. So plus the triangle. And that's how I will work out the area of the number C.